Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Kirklees Council Tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in Kirk Council Tax Login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.carl.g. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface. Now, to log into your account, scroll down a bit. See over here, you can see the Login to Add a Council Tax Account button. Click on that button. It might take a while to load, wait for it. You'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page. Now, at the right side, you can see the login form. Over here, you need to enter your email address. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the login button, then you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset your password, then you'll easily reset your password. If you don't have any account of Kirklees, just click on the register button to create a new account. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.